How to pin a video in Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can pin a video in Zoom. So how do you do it? The first step is to log in into your Zoom account, and then once you're logged into your Zoom account, by the left side of the screen, you'll see some options like home, profile, meeting, webinars, phone, etc. And then the next step is to select your meeting, right? And then you can decide to join a meeting, or you can decide to start up a meeting that you're already in. All right, so once you started the meeting, okay, let me just go to the meeting straight up. Yeah, so this is the meetings page. Once you're on this page and you're on the meeting, the next step is to move to the top of the meeting window. All right, to the top of the meeting window, and then over the video of the participant you want to pin, and click the more option button. From the menu, click pin, and then that video would be pinned. All right, you can just decide to move to the top part of the meeting video of the meetings page, and then select the video of the participants that you would want to pin. And then once you've selected the video, you would see the more option button by the right side. Click on this more option button, and then from the menu, click on pin. But if you want to pin many videos at once, just keep on repeating these processes and the videos would be pinned. All right, now I cannot show you this practically because I don't have any participants here. All right, but for you, you would see all of your participants here. So just select the one that you want to pin, follow the procedures, and that video would be pinned. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.